Alright, here we are at Dairy Queen, and we are here to pick up the new flavor of the month, birthday cake Oreo Blizzard. Are you excited, Mia? Yeah.
Hey guys, it's original Matla and original Mia Bella Tours. Okay, and we both got this from Dairy Queen, as you can see. It's the flavor of the month, and it's birthday cake Oreo. So, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try to get some Oreo. You can taste like cake. Chunks of cake and chunks of Oreo. You can taste both. No wonder they call it that.
What do you guys think?
I want to eat this all day. I really like it. We're at nighttime.
Yeah, what do you think, Mia?
100 out of 1,000.
100 out of 1,000? Well, that's a 10%. What do you think, Max?
As usual, infinity out of infinity.
So he really likes this one. Do you think this is a flavor that they should keep?
Yeah.
Because I think it's I don't know how Dairy Queen is, because I hardly ever go there. But flavor of the months, is that just like they only have it for that month? Or do they keep some of them?
They only have it for one, like, sometimes they have it,
if it sells really good. If it sells good.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the January 2015 flavor of the month.
I think the reason they did this was because Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Okay, what is it called again?
Martin Luther King.
No, the Blizzard.
Oh, cake Oreo. No, birthday cake Oreo.
Birthday cake Oreo. Oh, in celebration of his birthday.
Yeah.
Got it. Anyway, there you go. The January 2015 flavor of the month from Dairy Queen. Birthday cake Oreo Blizzards. The kids are very impressed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Bye.